Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich instant breakfast recipe made without wheat flour or rice flour and is completely gluten free. It's ideal as an instant meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 1 cup of fresh green peas, also known as matar. So what I've done is I have lightly sprouted the fresh green peas. Sprouting the matar helps in better nutrient absorption and easy to digest. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in the sprouted fresh green peas. Into this I'm adding in a small piece of ginger which I have sliced roughly, 2 green chillies or as needed. Adding in 1/4 cup water, about a tablespoon of fresh coriander leaves, and I'm going to coarsely grind this. Okay, now everything is coarsely ground. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Into this I'm adding in half of a cucumber grated, half of an onion chopped, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed. Next I'm adding in half cup besan, also known as chickpeas, some fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, and with my hand I'm mixing all this really well. Now the best thing about this batter is that you can store it in the refrigerator in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for a couple of days, and once nicely mixed the batter should be of spreadable consistency. Like you should be able to spread it with your thumb like I'm showing in the video. This is the consistency of the batter which you should be looking at. It's completely gluten free. There is no maida or wheat flour in this recipe. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil. Place a ladle full of the batter in the center of the tawa. With a spoon, lightly spread it into a round circle as thinly as possible. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice which is locally sourced, and if you're not a vegan you can also use A2 desi ghee instead. Cover and let it cook on low flame. 1 to 1.5 minutes later, open the lid. Carefully flip it over. Allow that side to get cooked as well. Also note that I'm using a well seasoned cast iron tawa. Cooking in cast iron helps in better iron absorption. Always try to cook at least one of your meals in a cast iron cookware. Once that side is done, flip it over and transfer to a plate. I'm serving it with homemade lemon pickle, and my super healthy protein and fiber rich instant matar chilla is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy matar chilla and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.